What was the most, fun part of this activity? Yeah. What did you like the most in that?
Sir, testing the flask and the controller.
So did you see the difference?
Yes, sir.
What was the difference in your case?
Sir, actually, this got colder. And,
Faster.
Sir, it got colder fast, and this was like
Slowly coming down.
yes, sir, slowly.
So was that the case with everyone? Okay, today.
Sir, checking with thermometer.
Taking the thermometer.
Checking with thermometer.
Checking with the thermometer. That part no one talked about. Okay, so that was fun.
Yes,
so
sir.
now you know how to see the temperature in thermometer. I'll tell you a very funny story. In my childhood, whenever I used to get sick, doctor used to bring that, and I used to think that is the injection. So my mom tells me the story. Still she tells. Like I used to start running just because just the moment they open the thermometer, I'm like, oh my god, this is going inside. I'm not bearing it. Okay? Yeah, but now, then I started realizing that is thermometer. So then I asked him, give me, I want to see my temperature when I became little older. So then that guy is saying, no, we won't give because you will break it. But today I gave you guys, I trusted you so much, I gave the thermometer, and that big thermometer, and none of them got spoiled. So I'm very proud. So can we clap for ourselves? Very good. Very good. Okay. You know what? Before coming to the class, I was discussing with Madhukar sir and other two ma'am and sir is, I don't know how many thermometers will break today. I'm serious, I'm not joking guys. I was really thinking how many thermometers will break today, but none of the thermometer broke, so I'm very happy. Very good. Anyone wants to speak?
Sir, the most funniest thing I found was at the last observation, I got both the temperature same.
Both temperature same. And what was the duration? When did you get that?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. And when did you start?
Like
Time. When did you start?
358.
358. And what was the initial temperature?
57 of a control setup and 58 of thermos flash.
Oh, very interesting. This is a very interesting result because 58 many of us have started. We didn't get 0, 0. We didn't get the equal temperature at the end. Right? There was some difference. But yeah, very nice. Very nice observation. Okay, what did you like the most?
I like the most the experience in we checked and the temperature observations.
Oh, very good. Very good. Very nice. Thank you.